Hey, how you doing, YouTube? I know I recently picked up another tombstone welder, but this one, it's a AC/DC arc welder. It's pretty beat up, a little bit rusty, like they didn't take care of it. So I'm gonna refurbish it, which I already took a whole bunch of them bolts. I didn't think you want to see me, taking off them bolts. You see the inside of it. It's a different build than the previous one that I had posted. But yeah, I'm currently refurbishing it right now. And if you look at this out here, I think you got transformer and some sort of heat sink, maybe rectifier, which I'm not too familiar with it yet. And on the bottom of it is the fan motor, and this right here looks like some sort of solenoid. But yeah, I'm refurbishing it right now. Let me know if y'all want to see second part of it, me cleaning it up and all that. But right now I'm planning on taking this off right here. I'm planning on taking it all out and giving it a good clean up, paint job, and I guess using it, being an AC/DC welder. I have modified another one, an AC welder, which I like working with this welders right here. They're pretty convenient. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. But yeah, so far I'm gonna take it all apart. So far I got this right here loose already. It should just pop off. Got it off, and yeah, I'm planning on putting some quick connectors in there too. So yeah, I'm currently gonna refurbish it, make it, bring it back to its former glory. But yeah, right now I have to take this ones right here. Are pretty rusty, pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to throw some lubricant in there or some rust penetrator, and either remove it, and then I'm gonna put some quick connectors there. But yeah, I'm in the process of refurbishing it right now. I'm gonna tear it all apart, and then I'm gonna, if y'all want to see the video, let me know. But it's pretty much more beefy build than the AC, AC straight Tombstone Lincoln. It has a little bit bigger transformer, which I'm just gonna refurbish it because I paid $100 on it. And I guess the other one I have over there, the other one I ended up paying $75 for it, which it works pretty good. The DC works on it pretty good already. Yeah, but this one right here, it's just a flick of a switch, and instead of switching over connections to it, I'm able to just flick the switch and it'll be ready to go. But yeah, it's an AC/DC arc welder. So yeah, I picked it up for $100, which I don't think is too bad, but I just had to do a little bit of work to it to bring it back to pretty good condition. So yeah, let me know if you want to see a part 2, me grinding, taking off all the old paint. Well, I'm not gonna take all the old paint. I'm just gonna take off all the the paint that chips off and all that, and then I'm gonna do a little quick paint job. But yeah, if you like, if you want me to restore, please hit the like button, or not. I guess hit the like and subscribe to my channel.